Hi everyone and welcome. Lisa here. Thanks for joining me today. So we're going to be celebrating with Honeybee Stamps on their huge milestone of 10,000 YouTube subscribers. Congratulations to Honeybee and thank you to everyone who has subscribed to their channel. Without you, this is not possible. Now, Honeybee is giving away a $100 gift card to one random winner picked from the comments left along the hop. Now, between August 8th and August 13th, you can use the code listed below to save 10% off your order. Again, be sure you hop along, leaving comments for a chance to win that gift card. And I also have the next stop along the hop linked below for you. I have a quick tutorial for you here. I have the products laid out here that I'm going to be using: the Paradise Blooms Stamps and Honeycut, the Slimline Cinnamon Eyelet die set, and I'm going to use the Tropical Leaves stencil as well. I'm going to get started by stamping on this die cut panel. And I'm using VersaMark ink so I can do some heat embossing with this. So I'm going to stamp this a couple of times just to make sure that I have nice coverage with the VersaMark ink. When I'm happy with it, I'm going to go ahead and cover it with gold Emboss embossing powder. And then I'll come in and heat set it. Once I'm done heat setting it, I'm going to place it back in the MISTI and repeat that whole process on the opposite end. So this is what we're going to be left with once we're done stamping the flower twice and then heat embossing it. I used the dies and made me some DIY mask so I could cover the flowers up so I can stencil the tropical leaves around them. So what I'm using here is what's left over from creating the mask. And I just laid it down just to kind of protect that area. I really wasn't too worried about going outside of the flower, but just in case, I had something there. Okay, so stenciling. Sometimes I just go at it. And I want to say, if I were you, I probably would take more precaution with stenciling. But I'm just one of those people that I'm like, just do it, you know? Let's just do it. What's the worst that can happen? I start over. Here we are. I'm using the Tropical Leaf stencil to add some fun greenery around those gorgeous pink flowers. And like I said, I just used the dye from the flower to create a quick DIY mask so I could cover that up. So I did take a little bit of precaution there with that, but other than that, not so much. Once I have the leaves stenciled down, I decided that it would be a great idea to do some black lines on this. Now, I had a picture in mind the whole time that I was doing this. It's a picture in my house that I absolutely love, and it has pink flowers on it with gorgeous greenery in the corners, and then black lines with the word beautiful in gold on it. And I thought, oh, well, hey, I'll do a card like that, you know? And so I've come in and started drawing the black lines. And about 4 seconds into it, I started regretting every life choice I'd ever made up until that point. I was like, why did I do this? But once I finished with it, I was happy that I did it because I loved the way it turned out. Now I had went ahead and die cut the word hello from the sentiment sets that comes with the Slimline Sentiment Eyelet die set. And I use gold foil paper. Now you see me using the Honeybee Precision Tip glue there on it to hold it in place. I'm coming in, adding some mounting foam to the back of the panel. And then we're going to go ahead and center that up on a Slimline card. Now, once I get this centered on a Slimline card, I decided that I wanted to come in and add some fun little tiny specks around my card. And I just have a little detail stamp. You can use any detail stamp you have that has tiny little circles or specks or whatever to create that fun little detail that I did there. And I just used my VersaFine Claire Nocturne ink to stamp it. So I do believe that is going to bring us to the end of the video. Don't forget to hop along, and the next hop is linked below. Be sure you're leaving a comment so you'll have a chance to win that $100 gift certificate that's available. And don't forget that right below we have the 10% code for you to shop from now until August 13th. As always, I appreciate you taking the time to join me. I hope you'll click the subscribe button and ring the bell to be notified of new content to my channel. Now, for more information about the products I used, head on over to the Honeybee Stamps website, and have an amazing day and take care.